Viewer subscribers, me I go play a video for you guys where a police officer shot and unalive a woman over there in Montego Bay. And him just do it like a nothing. The woman is allegedly a robot taxi driver and she was just about to drive away when the police officer fired one shot in the bus and unalive her same place, then fling her up in the Jeep back. So people, I want to know if you watch the video until the end because this one here, them can't say it was a shootout because it catch live on camera, people. So remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel as well, where we give you reaction to these type of videos. You understand me I say? Remember to subscribe to the channel. Right now, people. Also, the MP for the constituency over there in Granville, St. James, Marlene Malawuford, also give her takes on the situation, and trust me people, tears come to her eyes and she's saying this is really, really bad.
Not one to jump to hasty conclusion, and I do believe in process and investigation, but based on what I've observed on the scene, the commissioner will have to take immediate action in relation to the officer in this matter.
Why would you say that though, madam?
Well, you know, I think this one doesn't look so good. Can't prejudge it, but it doesn't look good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Security Minister, Mr. Chang, no shades to you, sir, because we're all going to be old one day. But dementia is up on you, sir. Go on home. Go on home in Jesus' name, Mr. Chang. Go play with your great-grandchildren them and the little shih tzu puppy we want to have downstairs. Go on home, sir. What you mean we should reject the narratives that the police force is a corrupt body? This is the worst we have seen the Jamaican police force become. They are so corrupt. And by the way, I always figure out why they put you as security minister, all ex-crime boss. Why am I saying ex? And why am I saying ex-crime boss? Why you can't go America? All Diego. Yes, the force is corrupt. It's a corrupt body. Them go around, go kill off people, pitney and come out, come tell pure lie. Nothing with the police, them do them all accountable. I one look at police, me see them all on pan the other day and I show them have security camera and the people them have their money when them guys sent me go kill the people, them top it man. The police them a walk and kill off people, pitney and I tell pure lie upon them and then you as the security minister and the prime minister backing them. You said that they must not wear body cam. So at the end of the day, corruption cannot be seen when it's all over your damn face, your behavior, your body language, the words that came out of your mouth, and what you all telling the police officers to go out, they go do to people, pitney. Uno corrupt till you don't realize what corruption is. The way uno sweep and love and cheer on corruption, uno don't see it as corrupt. You are corrupt. Your leader is corrupt. You are ruling a corrupt parliament. Or I should say, a corrupt cabinet. Jesus Christ, we should reject the narratives that JCF is not a corrupt body. Oh my God, I'm having a headache. No, I don't want to hear it. Corruption is all over the force. And what kind of bothers me, Mr. The police, them and here, a taps and roses in a them uniform in front of camera every day. But them don't want put on camera. When them a go out, they go kill off with little brother them, we pitney them, we father them, we uncle them, we nephew them. Them don't want put on body cam when them a go out, they go kill off the people them, but them want sit down in front of camera upon TikTok at taps and rose. And I ask for 2 gloves in a uniform. So if you want something to do, tell these officers not to be on TikTok in a them damn uniform. And only come on TikTok when them not there work. Oh, taxpayers, we're paying them right now to the day. If you want a police, you prefer go look on TikTok for them. As they like to see them on TikTok at Taps and Roses. Them need to come off a damn TikTok, man. You think the taxpayers that thinks the way I use the money piano for them on TikTok at Taps and Roses? Of course, when it's a damn corrupt body, you know, corrupt from up to down, you know, have a corrupt leader, a corrupt security minister, everything corrupt, but you know a killer.